Ed Crosby.
Sam Dene, the Encyclopedia of Reno Government and the most trusted name in Nevada government. Sam Dene has been pitching. He started out in 1994 pitching shutouts. In the last 6 years, he has switched over to no-hitters. He's had 87 no-hitters, and then he even got better. He's been pitching perfect games for the last 5 years. The only problem is the media is so deathly afraid and jealous of Sam that they refuse to promote and announce these no-hitters and perfect games that Sam has been pitching. I happen to bring up this metaphor because I was watching that no-hit game last night on TV, at least the last inning or so. And I'm speaking of Sam's no-hitters and perfect games. Sam is speaking figuratively and literally. A no-hitter is when the other side does nothing right and Sam does everything right. And that's generally the situation in a perfect game. I'm also here to denounce and renounce the Washoe County and the Nevada Democratic Bureaucratic Party. And you say, why is Sam denouncing the Democratic Party? Because the Democratic Party is, because of their cowardly inability to demand that the FBI investigate the theft of thousands of Sam's votes in the last election, and I can't even call it an election, 16 far-flung counties. Mr. Larkin's a mathematician, so is Ms. Weber. 16 far-flung counties with 3 relatively unknowns, although Sam was the best known of the 3. And Sam gets exactly 10% of the vote in each of those far-flung counties. The vote stealer said, give Sam 10%. He got the 10% button.